Hello established friends and new visitors to our YouTube channel, Truelove Quilts for You. This is Ian Truelove with another edition of Tours of Your Sewing Rooms. We're going to be enjoying Rebecca's sewing room, that's Rebecca Aguilar, and here is her message. Hello, Studio B, as we call my quilt room, was once our master bedroom. When my dear husband saw how much pleasure I got out of doing quilts, he offered to move us to a smaller room for sleeping. He's a good man. That's outstanding, Rebecca. Certainly a good man. Rebecca carries on in her message. Welcome into Studio B. The back wall is set up to be my design wall. This is where my quilt dies are stored. So much stuff. Thanks for visiting. Before I sign off, I'd like to offer my condolences for the loss of your younger brother. I've experienced that loss. Got to sign off now. Tears in my eyes. Bye, Rebecca.
Oh,
that's sad.
yeah, that is sad.
It's very kind of you to remember.
Yeah, your brother Stephen.
Yep.
The quilt that we have, the pictures that I've put up are the die cutting machine.
Yes.
I have one. She has a real library full of the quilt, the cut. Yeah, the cut. I have it, and I've done like feather borders, but you can get dozens and dozens of dies for it. She really has it. Good on you, Rebecca.
The next.
Do you have the next one?
Yeah, but it's underneath. Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay, you can edit this.
Yeah, I can edit it. Yeah, I like it when you have it up there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Should I have my glasses on for this one? Well, here we are again, friends and new visitors to our YouTube channel, Truelove Quilts for You.
No, this is on the same. This is on the same video. You don't have to introduce yourself again.
Ah.
Just you're coming to Gail's, I think.
Now, friends, we're going to enjoy Gail's sewing room.
That's it.
That is Gail Hammerberg.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes.
Sorry.
Producer. Directions.
Sorry.
What a girl. Anyway, Gail Hammerberg. Here's Gail's message to us all. My sewing room is my happy place. I retired from teaching special education 2 years ago, and I now have time to quilt. The chandelier above my sewing machines was gifted to me by my older brother shortly before he passed, so it's very special to me. When I was teaching, my room was decorated in Mary Engelbright, so it only seemed appropriate to decorate my sewing room with all my classroom stuff since I loved it so much. My sewing room also doubles as my scrapbooking place and as a computer bill paying station. Is that a happy place? Bill paying? Hate it. Gail carries on. We lived in our old house for 40 years and I only had a closet to sew in. Prior to moving into this home, I spent a lot of time organizing and labeling everything so it's easy to find what you're looking for. My cutting table is made from IKEA cubes and is on wheels so it can be moved. I use an old typewriter stand for my pressing station. The sewing machine cabinet came from a quilt show for only $25 and was retrofitted by my husband for my machine. On the long sewing table I have my serger and embroidery machine. My husband also made this for me. Jean, I love watching your videos and the lovely way you interact with one another.
Oh.
Amidst... No.
What did you just do?
Oh, no.
I wasn't looking. What did you just do? Oh, stop. Yeah. Big time.
Gail says, it makes my day to watch Maxwell's interactions.
Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Maxwell won the parent lottery.
Oh.
I only wish all the students I taught who were differently abled could have been half as much loved as Maxwell.
Yeah.
Looking forward to future videos. Much love from Pasco, Washington, Gail, Hammerberg.
I love that. Differently abled,
Wow.
not disabled. Oh, I love
Yes.
that.
What a sweet retired teacher
Yeah.
is Gail.
That's wonderful.
It is.
Yeah, that is lovely, lovely.
And another good husband behind the scenes
Yeah,
helping.
lovely space, lovely room. That's awesome. Thank you so
Forward to
much,
the
Gail.
pictures coming up now.
No, the pictures have been up.
Oh, the pictures
Pictures
have been
are
up.
up, Ian. They're above your shoulder. That's why I put you there. And the pictures are in the white curtain.
Well, I
there.
should be gesticulating.
No,
or
you'd
something.
be put your hand in front of the pictures.
Well, I've got nice hands.
Oh, stop. Okay.
I'll give you a hand.
Yeah, give him a
Well
hand.
done, Rebecca and Gail.
Thank you so much, Ian.
Been there.
Done that.
That was
Bye.
enjoyable. Very good.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.